cluicheadair Dundee United, Neve Guthrie, adreachach gur a seachcin o abhaisteach head of iawn, as dé an buanachach acha am san SWP le ja. Agus an glúicheadacha chur an Phrìomh Lìg ALBA and an ballcushion and ban.
Yeah, I don't think it's sunk in yet because I just think like that was like our aim at the start of the season. It's just like happened so soon with like still 5 games to go. So I just can't get over it and everyone's just buzzing still. So I think it's just a relief that it's done and we've done the job. So I think it's just like an unbelievable feeling, like knowing that next season will be like in the top flight of like Scottish women's football. So I think that was everyone's like dream to get, like achieve that. And I think it's just like everyone's still in shock. So it's just like an unbelievable feeling to actually say that we've won the league.
Neve, sé an daibh láitear a hachas an skipe ag Dundee United, ahead of bhí lé cutarmach san tlia sarvach lácha. Ha Neve cuideach a gadgeach go bhfuil mar há céad ar gun season a haroya.
I think it's just like everyone's positivity and like just us coming together as a group, like at training, like we've not stopped working hard and like just putting everything into like behind the scenes, like what we eat and stuff like that as well. Like every little bit adds up to like make sure that we win every week. And like not every game's been like easy at all. Like we've had our ups and downs, but we've always came like pushing through to actually get the like 3 points or like a draw. So it's good to say that we've been unbeaten so far and hopefully keep this up for the rest of the season. I think the main aim is to like keep the like winning streak kind of going and like not dropping any points, because even though we've still won, we still want to keep that like no loss like throughout the season. So I think our heads won't go down at all. I think we'll keep working hard, but we just need to keep in mind like going towards that kind of mindset of not dropping our standards at all or anything, and basically getting our fitness up for like preparation for next season, because that'll be much like higher standards that we'll have to aim for to actually get success. It's just unbelievable thinking that we'll be playing against likes like Rangers, Glasgow City, Celtic and all the other teams. Like it's always been a dream of mine to like play against them and everything. So like even just to get like noticed, like playing on like television, like getting the highlights on the show, like that's just amazing. Like it's always been a dream of mine. So I'm really happy. I'm buzzing to go already, to be honest.
Ha Guthrie a tosh párs mór dé bethe do ballcushion. Agus ha a dói glan a feicin an brúad a reiche, a cluiche ag an ire sarch and an ALBA, a chín gabú.
Yeah, so ever since like I kind of first joined the team, because I always played outside like with my dad in the garden, and then signed up to go to Fhuair farming in, and then ever since then I've just always like played football. Like I wouldn't know any different if I didn't like play football, to be honest. Like it's always been in my lifestyle, and so it's always just been a dream to like go as far as I can, like at the highest level. The pathway I've kind of took's like so much different to what I like ever imagined. Like I went to like different school because of football and left all my mates behind. Like it's just mental, like everything that I've like not sacrificed but like chose like to like aspire for football.
Huair Neve jólas luachford le skipe for seachbunna diag na ALBA. Agus haidin bheach go de chudí seoí a bhí fast an cluicheadair a hain nu. Hain dóchas gon foscail ballcushion ag an Phrìomh Lìg Doris hí go skipin na ALBA ríist.
I was involved with the Scotland under-17s like kind of like last year and 2 years ago kind of thing. So we were playing in like the Euros and stuff, and that's like a different level, like playing against different countries, like very professional, like just the way we prepped like for matches, training, like it was like really high standards and everything. So that taking it into like club football has really like set me in like knowing like where my mindset needs to be like before games, and like how I need to like set myself to like play well and everything. I want to go like as far as like I can go, really. Like I want to like aim to get back like in the Scotland setup. So like kind of now it's like the A team, so that's like any age really, so that'll be like really difficult. But I think getting promotion will kind of like set me kind of there, hopefully get noticed and stuff again. So like playing against like all these teams hopefully will get me like noticed, and even to like just continue getting picked for Scotland would be mental. It would be like a dream.
Ha Dundee United if Gian Erdis a Chruachug or son lenting oris a hiet sees nachge san SWPL hun. Ayas ha mishnach at Neve, gnurin in skip eich at vi sarvachal.
I want to see us kind of like setting a good standard, like first going into the league, saying that like we're here to like challenge everyone, like no matter who we're playing against, and just to kind of keep bringing like players in and making them feel welcome, because everyone that's like joined like during this season said like how good of a bunch we are, and I want to keep that kind of like team environment like very open to like say how you feel and everything, so that, and basically just like putting in your own hard work at home, like doing your own wee bits and stuff. So I think that'll help us like progress as a team.